Hello.
Let's hit the road with BabyBot. Help BabyBot drive through the robot factory. Tap the screen to start. Here we go. Tap here to move BabyBot. Nice driving. Really nice. Choose the correct light bulb to complete the pattern. The correct answer is oops, wrong way. Try to avoid the obstacles. This trip is amazing! Which light bulb comes next in the pattern? The correct answer is oops, wrong way. Try to avoid the obstacles. This trip is amazing! Which light bulb comes next in the pattern? Good job! Bonus time! Look at this! Which light bulb comes next in the pattern? Very good! Collect all the stars. This trip is amazing! Choose the correct light bulb to complete the pattern. This is the way! Collect those stars! We made it! Wow, look at how far you've come!